Hello everybody. As you know, as all of us in the Midwest got that snow day for 2 days in a row. I mean, I don't have school until Thursday. I got an extra day and a half home from vacation, so I got a new fire alarm part in the mail, and I thought I might as well show you. And show you the current setup of my system. As you can see, I've mounted both of these on the wall now. There's no of those annoying back boxes. This pole station is now monitored by that monitor module, which is up here. And then the new thing on my system that I'll be testing today is this 135-degree addressable set heat detector, no rate of rise. And then I have one other new thing to show you downstairs. So I'm going to set this off. As you see, it says heat detect garage 135-degree heat and alarm. The lights are steady red. The horns are sounding march time. Notice there's a difference down here. There's a piezo buzzer. One of those wheel-lock remote buzzers. I'll explain the reason for that in a little bit. Well, actually, I might as well just do it now. The reason for that is I have more new fire alarm devices coming. Actually, they're already here. I had them shipped to school expecting to be back in school by now. So I'm going to get I have two Gentex Commander 2 horns coming my way, and horn only. Yeah. So now I got to make sure I know which one's which. Who is that? Alright. So now I'm going to go test the next device. Before I do that, I'm going to show you. This is the notification thing for the device. It's a system sensor chime strobe, but I have it set to slow whoop. And then this 48 right here, this is actually a control module. It's a NAC basically. So when whatever can trigger that alarm goes into alarm, it will also trigger this, which powers that. So find my mini screwdriver, and then I'm going to wander over and set it off. And I'll explain what it is after. As you can see, I don't have anything plugged into it yet. As you see, I'm going to have a basement CO2 alarm. It's going to end up going right here. It's one of those system sensor ones. And it comes up as a hazard alert. It sets up its own little horn and sets off a local horn. So, yeah. Those are the two new things I had to show you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will make another video when I get the other devices installed, whenever my next break is. So, yeah. Have a good day and bye.